Hi all, today I'll show you how to create brush to draw chiffon threads. First, create a new document, Ctrl or Command N. Pick up brush tool, B shortcut, select soft round brush and size 3 pixels. Choose curvature pen tool. Create a new layer. Now we'll draw a wave with this pen tool. Click to make a start point. For the next point, just click and the line automatically curves for you. Easy, right? Press Escape when you're done. Window, Paths. Right-click to Work Path and choose Stroke Path. Drop down the menu in Toolbox and select Brush. Then confirm. Press Ctrl or Command H. Head to Edit. Define brush preset. Name whatever you like and OK. Now we already create curved brush. We are going to customize this brush by going to Window, Brush Setting. Select Brush Tip Shape. Select Spacing at Minimum. Move to Shape Dynamics. In Control Box of Angle Jitter, select Fade 350. Click to the small page icon to save this setting. Change foreground color to any color and try disperse. Adjust the flow to 50%. It looks great. Move back to our project. We'll cut out the model with background. Go to Select. Select Subject. For some areas that are not selected, use Pen tool to select. Or we can deselect the background as well. Once you're done, press Shift F6 to add feather to it at 0.5 pixels. Then, cut the selection to new layer with Ctrl or Command J. Great! Create a new layer under layer 1. Use brush tool with the brush that we just created. Let's try with red color first. Adjust the flow to 25% and it's the time for you to create your own unique brush effect. Use another color in different layer so we can easily manage later on. For new layer number 4, put it above the model. This helps to create the depth of field. Now, we'll turn the red line into multicolors. Click to adjustment icon, select Gradient. In Preset, choose Spectrum and OK. To limit this effect into layer 2, use Clipping Mask by pressing Ctrl Alt G for Windows or Command Option G for Mac. There you go. Adjust the opacity and now you already know this technique. Hope that you will like this tutorial. Hit like, subscribe our channel to update the latest tutorial on a daily basis. Feel free to leave comments in case you have any question. Thank you and bye bye.